Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of removing Face ID from your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, open your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down until you find the Face ID and Passcode option, then tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode to proceed. Once you've entered your passcode, you'll access the Face ID and Passcode settings. Scroll down to locate the Reset Face ID option. Tap on it, and your Face ID will be deleted instantly. It's that straightforward. After resetting Face ID, your iPhone will no longer recognize your face to unlock the device or authorize actions that previously used Face ID. Instead, you'll need to input your passcode manually, as I'm demonstrating here by locking my phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.